I just picked up the new Taco Bell sandwich taco. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I just went to Taco Bell. Look, they put a sticker on it. It was sealed for my safety. And Taco Bell has a new sandwich, and since it's lunchtime here at the Panda Research Institute, and since everyone gets 15 minutes off for lunch, I thought I would try the crispy chicken sandwich taco. So here it is. It's actually a little bit smaller than I was thinking, but as I open it up here, what I think this is, well, so like a very small taco, but it's in flatbread. So we get this flatbread. I love flatbread. Pretty thick here. You can see it's nicely toasted, but quite soft. And then we get some sauce in here. It's like a spicy, cheesy sauce. So I thought it might be like Thousand Island dressing, but it's not. And then we get a strip, which looks to me kind of like a fried chicken tender. Now, I got this in the regular crispy chicken. I think they have a spicy crispy chicken too. So there's no veggies or anything else with it. I think this would actually be pretty easy to make. A little toasted flatbread, some of that cheesy, spicy sauce, and then basically a chicken tender in there. So that's pretty good. A little bite size. Chicken is all the rage right now. I will say, for comparison, look at a regular taco here versus the taco sandwich. Quite a bit smaller, but it's heartier. That bread and that chicken is quite a bit thicker, but wow, that's delicious. It's pretty simple. It's certainly easy to eat. And when you're at the Panda Research Institute here, you need a fast lunch. Mom, I'm almost done! So that you can get back to work. So, it's pretty good. Good on Taco Bell. I hope this sticks on the menu because I can see myself eating this many more times. I'll also tell you what, if you like chicken tenders, but you don't like grabbing them with your hands because then you get all dirty here and maybe it's just too much chicken, this is kind of a perfect way to eat a chicken tender, to be honest. A little bread makes it friendly to the hand, makes it friendly to eat, and you can have that. So I really like it. If you've got a Taco Bell in your area, you can try it too. If you want to pick up some Taco Bell gear though, I'll put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.
We can discover more and explore so much deeper.